Welcome, I'm James. This is a seafood edition to Shelter Food and Beer. I have 4 fish ingredients today, and I will be serving these beautiful jumbo shrimp that I purchased, some skin-on salmon, lobster tail, and crab meat. With these ingredients, I plan on making a 4-course meal just for myself. It is going to be a cold presentation of these jumbo shrimp, so I plan on chilling them after I prepare them. I've made sure they're very dry, tailed them off, and I'm going to hit them with a little bit of fleur de sel. Fleur de sel, that's a Frenchy salt. And then my favorite seasoning for stuff lately is this dried pepper flake that we sometimes call ufra. There are different names for it. I'll turn the shrimp over to get the other side, so I'm going to have to use my other hand not to cross-contaminate. A little bit of olive oil in here and bring it up to temperature. I'll put this in this hot skillet and stand over it because it shouldn't take very long. Cooking shrimp, you don't want to overcook them, so you pay attention to them, watch them really close. They're kind of translucent at first, and you wait for them to turn white and opaque. 2 minutes in, I'll give them a turn. That's all I'm going to do. Turn twice. See the beautiful color. That chili is softened up, and then I'll pour some sweet and sour sauce on top of them. Give them a little lemon squeeze. And that's it. I'm going to take them off and chill them in the refrigerator. Plate them on top, some more sauce. Little mint leaves from the garden. Lovely. I'm going to start my first course, which is this lovely pan-seared shrimp with a chili hot sauce, a sweet and sour chili hot sauce. And it's been chilling in the refrigerator while I was working on the other components to this meal. Sangria.